Okay, how y'all? I look a little bit like a mess. Like, not like it's just like the hair is a little but we'll fix it. Anyways, hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a get ready with me to a gay event. I'm so excited. Like, actually so excited because I haven't been to a queer event and God knows how long, like a queer nightlife event. So exciting. I put on my primer and now I'm setting it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do my face first and then setting it, of course.
Oh my god, what is that?
Okay, I got a text, so I was like, okay, anyways. Oh, we're going with the Tarte Shape Tape. I love this. I know people, some people hate on her. I like her though, like she's cool. Like, yeah, she's a little thick, but that's kind of her purpose. Like, I feel like she's supposed to be thick. Like, she's supposed to be that girl that literally covers everything. I think that's her purpose. I'm gonna be using this on my eyes, but I have to use it sparingly. Debating color correcting. I think I should color correct under my eyes, so let me do that first. So now I'm gonna use this. I got this today at Ulta, and everybody, I've been just seeing this, and it's just like, it feels like, you know, surveillance capitalism is winning today. So I just bought it. Hopefully it's good. People are like, it's so creamy and it's so good. And so I bought it. No, literally, because do you see that? What the? Why is it not working? You're like, what? You know, I hate it. I'm gonna be back. I had to redo the whole thing. I did my eyebrows while I was waiting for the thing to finish. Okay, anyways, but like I had to redo it because I was just like, it's separating, I'm not doing it. And I blended out with this brush and like, you know, I really like this brush. It's gonna be like one of my like February favorites because I'm like, wait, why is it pretty good? Like, this is pretty good, y'all. So I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with the Maybelline powder. I think I'm trying to get more into like high-end makeup at times because you just need a good high-end, those good high-end products. Like, I'm not saying all high-end is necessarily good, but there's some products that is just like for me, Tarte Shape Tape is not dupable. You cannot dupe this. You literally can't. Like, I feel like you cannot. Elf try to, it dries too much, it oxidizes. No. And there's some drugstore that is so, this concealer is so good for my under eyes, and literally I have like lines under my eyes, right? And this makes it look good. Like, of course concealer is going to settle under your, like, in any fine line. Okay, oh my god, I just put this freaking, okay, anyways,
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic.
like the Revlon, I've not found a concealer that yet compares to it, and it was literally $6 on Amazon. So, you know, because I remember one time I was in the drugstore and this girl, she was basically dissing drugstore. She was like, drugstore is cheap for a reason. Drugstore, all the ingredients are bad. And I was just sitting there like I was like looking for myself, like in CVS, like looking around like, girl. Because it's also very classist to be like, drugstore, all drugstore makeup is bad. All drugstore makeup has bad products. Because I'm like, if you look at some of your high-end products, they literally have the same ingredients. But anyways, I'm going to be doing my contour. I love this contour kit. It's by Black Radiance. Black Radiance is really that girl. Really out here for the black girlies. Like, love it. Really love the effort they be putting in for the black girlies, especially. Like, thank you. Yeah, now that I have the afro out, I don't do stuff on my forehead when I have my afro, like that ass. Like, what is the point of forehead makeup if it's covered? That's why people with bangs are so smart. Like, if you do makeup and you have bangs, you are so intelligent because you literally don't have to do makeup under the bangs at all. There's honestly no purpose. Like, there's no point to doing it. I mean, unless you want to, that's fine, but I see there's no real purpose. Okay, y'all, I figured out the look, so I'm gonna do a heart because I'm trying to do like a little blushed look and have it mixed in with my actual blush, so that'd be a little like a haze type of look, like a blush, like quite literally a blushed look. That is the look I'm going for. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Okay.
Is it thanks that I get for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all of you bitches gone?
Now I'm gonna put the heart on. It's coming. It's coming together. It's going. Okay, so what I did was just put a heart in the heart. I kind of hate it.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so I put on the lashes, and now I don't hate the look as much. Like, I don't. So I'm gonna put some more blush, like just a little smidgen, like across.